بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, we're on actually your Tajweed Made Easy, page 21. Lesson number 18 we're on. Iqlab. Iqlab, which means to convert. Okay? Like I said about idhar in lesson 17 to memorize, this one has a memorize also. So it says memorize this. If after noon sakin or tanween you see a ba. If after noon sakin or tanween you see a ba, change the noon sakin or tanween for a meme and lengthen for 1 second with a nasal sound. Okay? Just to go through that again. If after noon sakin or tanween you see a ba, change the noon sakin or tanween for a meme, lengthen for 1 second with a nasal sound. Okay? So underneath I put another little note, remember to leave the space of a piece of paper between the lips. The reason why I've put that there is just to help you how to say this rule. Okay, inshallah. Take a look at these examples and get used to iqlab. Okay? Okay, let's have a look at the first one. Okay? It says min ba'di. Originally it says min ba'di. Okay? So what do we say the rule was? If it was originally min ba'di, so we have a noon sakin, after it there's a ba. So we was told if there's a noon sakin or tanween and after it there's a ba, what do? You change the noon sakin or tanween for a meme. Okay, the first example, there's the noon sakin, now we're going to change it for a meme. Okay, because there's a ba after it. So how are we going to read it now? We're not going to read min with a noon now, ba'di, we're going to read it with a meme. But what we're going to do, we're not going to completely seal the lips, okay? So it's going to be min ba'di. When it comes to the ba, the lips are closed, okay? Min ba'di. Nasal sound, 1 second. Min ba'di. Next one. We've got a noon sakin, and after it there's a ba, so we change the noon sakin for a meme again. Min baquniha. Min baquniha. Nasal sound, 1 second, remember. Min baquniha. Next one, we have a tanween this time. Look on the dal, there's a tanween, okay? And after it there's a ba. So what do? We change the noon sakin of the tanween. In this situation, you have a tanween, so we change the tanween for a meme. So it's not abadan bima now, it's abadan bima. Abadan bima. Bring the lips together. Abadan bima. Sealing when it's the ba, okay? Nafsim bima. Okay, we won't be saying nafsin bima. We've got a tanween, we change that for a meme, okay, because of the ba afterwards. So we say nafsim bima. Nafsim bima. Next one. It says munfatirun bihi. Okay, so there's a tanween and after it there's a ba. We need to change the tanween for a meme. So what will we say when we recite it? It will be munfatirun bihi. Munfatirun bihi. Okay? Next bit, noon sakin. Okay, we'll change the noon sakin for a meme and it will be min bani. Min bani. Okay, inshallah. So basically what I want you to understand, what is iqlab? Iqlab is after, if after noon sakin or tanween you see a ba, change the noon sakin and tanween for a meme and lengthen for 1 second with nasal sound. The lengthening for 1 second with the nasal sound, you can say and make ghunna. If you're on that level, just say and make ghunna, because that's exactly what it was, remember? Nasal sound, lengthen for a second, ghunna, okay? So you can either say if after noon sakin or tanween you see a ba, change the noon sakin and tanween for a meme and make ghunna. Or you can say whatever's written right in front of you, okay? And remember to leave the space of a piece of paper between the lips. So again, min ba'di, min baquniha, abadan bima, nafsin bima, munfatirun bih. Or bihi, okay? if you're not stopping. Min bani. I hope you understand that rule. Anywhere in the Quran you see noon sakin or tanween and after it there's a ba, this is what you have to do. Change the noon sakin and tanween for a meme and make ghunna. Lengthen it for a second with a nasal sound. Jazakallahu khairan for your time and patience. Go over this recording, please. Please go over this recording, okay, inshallah, and make sure you understand what I'm talking about, okay? These rules don't just come and just land in the brain and we understand that these rules, we have to keep going through them, start finding examples of them in the Quran, and that is the only way we will come to terms with understanding these rules, okay? There's no point just me saying and you guys listening and all of a sudden, subhanallah, you're going to understand. That's not the case. Inshallah, deen, it needs sacrifice, okay? The more time you give, the more you will understand. Jazakallahu khairan for your time and patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.